Our AMA question today came from Vivian, who attended our monthly IEP Toolbox webinar. She asked, do you recommend my second grader learn how to type instead of write? He gets very frustrated when attempting to write and oftentimes gets nowhere. That's a really good question, Vivian. You know, we live in a world where typing is really important, so teaching him to type is a good skill for him to have. If it reduces his frustration, I would definitely recommend that you teach him. I would also teach him to write, though, because sometimes you just need to be able to write with your hand. And handwriting is actually regulating and organizing. You might try teaching him to use Handwriting Without Tears paper. Go to lwtears.com for this. If you use it correctly, we find that this paper makes a big difference for our kids who struggle with writing. Also, you might make an agreement with the teacher that your son dictate what he wants to write to you so that his writing doesn't disrupt his thoughts. And then he can write part of it and you can write part of it as he builds up his stamina and skills.